60. Twin tube, a V6.
Your pussy test not even a vagina. Plain engine and I'll be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Tyler. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 to a real.
Channel. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what's gonna go down in the video. So today's video we're doing a POV drive. But right now I'm on the 95. I'm about to hop off real quick. And also, if y'all haven't seen the big turbo X3 video, it's a X3 35i. So it got the N55 motor in it. Only thing is done to that is rod bearings and like upgraded fueling. That's about it. And that shit pushing like 30 PSI max, man. So if y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all go check it out. And make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and help this channel get to 10k subs. So I could probably I'm thinking about dropping some merch or something for y'all. So let me know down in the comment section how much of y'all would actually grab the merch, man. I got some wicked design that I got in mind, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me know down in the comment section, as I said before, and let me know how much of y'all would grab the merch. And also, if y'all need a top mount turbo manifold for y'all F10, I'ma have mines up for sale soon, so y'all could hit me up, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Y'all think I should raise this cat? down below if y'all like that DIY T51R mod. If y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Woo. Machine! Yo! Bro, you think Spool up with your phone? Yo! Bro. Bro? N55? 28 PSI? Shit! 25? And it moves up? Bro? Bro? Yo? Yeah? If you want to move, you know we're close to this. Bro, you bad your friend. Imagine this the little bit lighter, bro.
Bro, this shit's like 4,000 pounds.
Imagine if extra 5 pounds.
Right?
Bro. Shit crazy, bro. Bro, shit bad, bro. Yo, and the thing just smooth, bro. Damn, bro. Yo. the thing smooth and it just. You the turbo?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And the teeth is one are mad pan either.
Eh?
Mm-mm.
Shit.
And they want it.